Welcome to Telos Advanced Cloud Contact Center Solution. In this video we will learn how to set up voicemail in Telos. Log into your user account. Click on your username next to the Call and Chat tab at the top right hand side of the desktop. Then, click on Profile. Select the fourth option, Voicemail, for setup. You'll be redirected to voicemail settings. Click on the status bar to activate it. Create your desired password. Confirm the password. You can choose the auto delete option, which will automatically remove old voicemails after 30 days. For email notifications, you can select the Send to Email option. Enter the email address where you prefer to receive notifications. You can also make changes to the forward to voicemail settings by selecting one of the following options: when the receiver is unreachable, when the receiver does not answer, when the receiver is busy. Save the settings. Congratulations! Your voicemail setup is now complete. Telos. Your business, connected.